I'm Terry Kimball. I'm the President and CEO here at the Chandler Chamber, and we are so excited to bring you this new video series on healthcare options for your small business. And today I have with me, joining me, Shelley Winson with True Choice Benefits. Shelley, thank you so much for being here.
Thank you for inviting me. I'm really pleased to be involved in this project.
How does a business owner navigate through all this? What would be your best recommendation?
I think it's always best to talk to a professional. You know, if I have a leak in my sink, I'm going to talk to my plumber. So someone who wants to learn about health insurance would be best served by talking to a health insurance or employee benefit professional. And I'm going to go even a step further than that. We have an organization called the National Association of Health Underwriters in this country, which represents about 100,000 people working in the employee benefits industry. I've been a member for a very long time. I'm a past president of the Arizona Association and the Greater Phoenix Association. Those of us that are members of this organization go above and beyond in training and certifications and knowledge. And so when someone really wants to explore all of their options, I'd say not only go to a professional, but go to someone who's a member of the National Association of Health Underwriters.